It's a pretty unique experience that there is one academic institute which wants to interface with the industry, varied industries, to check out what is the industry that is expecting. What the exercise that we are doing now is exactly the same, that for various aspects of various, roles or various branches of businesses. So what is it that we normally do? What are we trying to sort of expect from some incumbents who come to us. So that's how they're going to refine their curriculum, which is in fact a good idea, because this has been missing in India, the interface between the academia and the industry. So I see it as a good opportunity to have that. So it's been wonderful in that manner. One of the major problems through the 90s and the first decade has been that the books that we used to get in India to read, management students, spoke about things that had happened 20 years back. The world pace till 1980s was okay, you could still manage with those. Now changes are happening so fast that the curriculum has to match the time lag. You can't afford 2 years time lag. What was relevant in 2009 is no more relevant. Business practices are changing. I would say the theories, the fundas of whatever behaviors and organizational behavior is changing, and hence there is a need for that time lag to be minimum. What is being taught and what is being practiced. So if we can have platforms where we can learn or come to know about each other, what industry is doing / is expecting, and it's a supply chain phenomena, so that then the academia or the institutes like WLC can sort of fulfill that requirement.